This video explains how you can install the apps from the App Store in your Mac system. For that, go to the App Store. You can find this App Store app on the dock, or you can go to applications, and over there you can find that App Store app. Just double click that and then it will open like this one. Once this App Store app is open, you have to search for the app that you want to install. Let us say I want to install Fio. This is very popular image viewing application for Mac systems. Once you are there, you have to click on Get, and then click on Install app. And then it will download and install the app. Once the application is installed, you can find it right in the applications directory over here. You can see that this Fio image viewer is downloading, and the progress is also being shown over here. Once it is installed, you can just double click and then start using that application. Thanks for watching this video.